Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set hostname on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set hostname on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8, click on Activity tab on upper left corner. Now click on Terminal. In Terminal, type hostname CTL, set hostname. Now type your hostname. My hostname is client1.example.com. Hostname CTL, set hostname, client1.example.com. Now hit enter. Hostname has been set. Now I am going to check. Type hostname and hit enter. Look, the hostname has been set client1.example.com. This is the easiest way to set hostname on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.